Hi! If you have Razer BlackShark V2 Pro wireless gaming headsets and want to know how to pair them via Bluetooth, here's how to do it. First, turn on Bluetooth on your phone, laptop, or TV. Then, turn on the headset by pressing and holding the power button until the lights turn on. Next, search for new Bluetooth devices on your phone. When you see Razer BlackShark V2 Pro in the list, simply select it and pair. That's it! Your headset is now connected and paired with your device. If the headset doesn't appear in the Bluetooth list, it's usually because headphones already connected to another device. To connect headphones to a new device, turn the headset off. Then, press and hold the power button for longer until the blue LED starts blinking. This means the headset is in pairing mode. Now, turn on Bluetooth on your device and scan again. When Razer BlackShark V2 Pro appears, select it, and your headset will connect to the new device. I hope this was useful and helps you avoid unnecessary panic. Happy weekend and good luck!